Hello everyone, my name is Muaz Ahmed. Today my topic is on glaucoma. Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that damage the optic nerve, usually due to increased intraocular pressure. It is a leading cause of irreversible blindness worldwide. Types of glaucoma: open angle glaucoma, angle closure glaucoma, congenital glaucoma, and secondary glaucoma. Glaucoma causes: risk factors, family history, high IOP, age greater than 40, diabetes, hypertension, long-term steroid use. Symptoms: often no early symptoms, sudden eye pain. Diagnosis: optometry measures IOP, ophthalmoscopy, visual field test. Treatments of glaucoma: eye drops, oral medications, laser therapy, and surgery. Classifications of glaucoma: primarily glaucomas, primary open angle glaucoma, most common type. Drainage angle remains open, but trabecular meshwork is inefficient, painless, low progression, asymptomatic until late. Primary angle closure glaucoma. In blocks, tubercular meshwork, sudden rise in IOP, painful red eye with nausea and sudden vision loss. Secondary glaucomas caused by another condition: neurovascular glaucoma, uveitic glaucoma, steroid-induced glaucoma, trauma-induced glaucoma. Congenital glaucomas due to developmental abnormalities of anterior chamber. Symptoms: photophobia, epiphora. Complications: irreversible vision loss, blindness if untreated. Medication side effects: example, eye irritation. Systematic effects: surgical complication, example, infection and hypotomy. Prognosis: open angle glaucoma can be controlled with early diagnosis and lifelong treatment. Angle closure glaucoma requires urgent treatment to prevent permanent damage. Vision lost cannot be recovered, but further loss can be prevented. Prevention and awareness: regular eye exams after age 40, family screening, awareness of symptoms, example, eye pain. Avoid unsupervised steroid use. Glaucoma is a serious but often preventable cause of blindness. Early detection, lifelong monitoring, and appropriate treatment are critical in preserving vision. Patient education and regular follow-up are essential components of effective glaucoma care. Treatment: medical management, eye drops, prostaglandin analogs, beta blockers, alpha agnostics, myotics. Oral medications: acetazolamide, laser therapy, laser trabeculoplasty, laser iridotomy. Surgical treatment: trabeculectomy, glaucoma drainage implants, minimally invasive glaucoma surgery. Complications: irreversible blindness if untreated, vision loss despite treatment in late diagnosis, side effects from medication or surgery. Prognosis: good if detected early and treated properly. Requires lifelong monitoring and treatment. Regular follow-ups are essential. Prevention: routine eye exams, especially after age 40. Screen high-risk individuals. Educate about symptoms of acute glaucoma. Avoid unsupervised use of steroid eye drops. Thank you.